Hey Emily, what do you want to do today?
How do I sound?
You sound fine.
How do I sound?
Like I said, you sound fine.
How do I sound?
Okay Emily, that's enough. You can stop now.
How do I sound?
Emily, please stop. It's already getting annoying.
How do I sound?
Stop it, 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 stop it.
How do I sound?
I said stop it. If you keep saying, how do I sound? You'll be grounded.
How do I sound? How do I sound? How do I sound? How do I sound? How do I sound?
Alright. This is the final straw. You're now grounded for a freaking week. Go to your room right freaking now.
How do I sound?